import invoices. In this video, we will discuss what are the important things when you are import invoices to the system. Now again, I'll export existing invoices. Right now, earlier we have imported only one line invoice. Now here you can see some invoices as two same number or duplicated. So this is that means particular invoice has two lines. Now here number 10 has 3 lines. That means this invoice has 3 items. You can see bed sheet there, A item there, B item. This is item name. So like that, you can import single line or multiple line invoices. Now when you are importing multiple lines, there are few things you need to check. So I'll delete this one. I'll select 15. Right, now here there are 2 lines. Now when you are importing, you need to carefully check the totals of that invoice. Okay. Now I'll open this one, number 15. There are 2 lines. First one, towel, 2 quantity, rate 100, total is 200. Second item, bed sheet, quantity 5, rate 200, amount 1000, and total is 1200. So when you are copying this invoice, you can see that subtotal and total and balance, it should be total of the invoice, and it should include, or you need to add for both lines. Okay. Both lines, here the total, and you can go to individual item. Now here quantity 2 and 5, then total, item total, that is item total 200,000, and item price, that is rate 100 and 200. So like that, individual item, quantity, item total, item price, you can enter here. And when you are entering total, you need to enter all items totally for the subtotal, total, and balance. Right. Next, you can select the invoice status. Here it's a draft invoice, number 15. But if it is already processed one, you can change this to overdue. And you can change the invoice number. Currently I have 16. I'll change this to 17. Invoice ID I remove. So like that, you can change the required data. So now here, when we use import option if you are moving from another accounting software to Zoho, or if you have any backlog or in Excel format or other format, you need to import to the system. So like that, if you have any requirement for import, you need to follow these steps. I'll save this and I'll try to import again. Go to invoices, click three dots, import invoices, choose file, click next, and here match, and you can see the date format. Now previously it was year first, then month and date. Now in this Excel sheet it's check this, select this, it's a date, month, year. Therefore I have to change this date format here. It should be date, month, year. And also you need to consider this slash also. Here it's slash, therefore I have selected slash. This one also I'll change. Date, month, year. Date, month, year. So if you have selected different format, I'll change this one also. If you select different format, it will import incorrect date to the system. So therefore, you have to carefully check the invoice format. Now I save this and I'll import. So here date I'll change to DDMMYY. Due date also DDMMYY, and expected payment date DDMMYY, and check this, save this selection for you use during future imports, and click next. Now you can see it has imported, and click import. Now you can see number 17 has imported, and invoice date is October 6, and totals you can see. So like that you can import. Now assume there's another line, and assume quantity is 4, and item price is 300. Then item total should be 1200, and invoice total should be 2400. So these values should change to 2400. try again. We change invoice to 18. Here you need to check this total, and we'll try to import invoices. Select the file and click next. You can see that there's no any error. You can import. So like that you can import your invoices.